Hello Stoneridge family, my name is Miss Andrade and I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial about how to log into Google Classroom. Now, when you log into Google Classroom, the very first thing you should do is you should use either the tablet or the Chromebook that was given to you when you picked up the materials for your child. If you don't, I would suggest to contact the teacher right away. But for now, let's get started. So when you open up their Chromebook or their tablet, the first thing one should do is use the student's, your child, first, period, and last name at Stoneridge Academy K12.org. And the password, the password is uppercase S, Stoneridge, 12, exclamation point. Now, you're going to use their email address as well as their password to log in to their Chromebook or their tablet, as well when logging in into their Google Classroom. Now, there's two different ways to log into Google Classroom. You can either go straight to a website, such as the Google Chrome, and type in Google Classroom, or you can go into, look at the little waffle up at the right-hand corner of the web page, and Google Classroom should pop somewhere around here. Now, when you do, you should be able to see this page, and you should be able to see the student's classroom. This is my classroom right here, Miss Andrade's Genius Room. All right, that is all. If you have any questions, remember, don't forget to contact your teacher. Thank you.